engrave in real time, and so you can see where it is and give you timing.
Okay.
But yeah, there's different steps, and you can reorganize the steps and add steps from bitmaps or traces.
Yeah. So here, the red outline is showing where it's engraving.
The step
is that right?
Working on that. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the steps are just one sweep or one pass of the laser. Is that the idea?
So steps can have a different mode. Like this first step was a bitmap engrave, a raster engrave.
Okay.
Okay. And so each step can have separate power and speed settings and resolution in the case of the bitmap engraves.
Sure.
And so the second step was an engrave, so it was lower power. And then the third was a cut, so higher power.
Okay.
And if you feed it vector artwork, every different color becomes a different step.
Okay.
So,
okay.
And then you can assign, okay, this one wants to be a cut, and then you can drag them around real.
Yeah. So that the camera is actually, you're seeing real-time video from the camera?
Yeah, so every time you open or close the lid, it takes a picture, or every time you close the lid.
Oh, I see. I see.
So once you put material in, so the image will be ready, so you can place it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Wow, that's beautiful.
Come on around.
Picture frame?
Picture frame.
All right.
Oh, so can I watch you as you do it? Is that?
Come over here.
Yeah. Whoops. You guys are really popular.
Copy designs, choose picture frame. Wait for her to place it.
So it shows you a library or recently open projects
whatever project you've uploaded.
Right.
In this case, of course, we pre-uploaded.
Right, and then you see the steps over here.
Yeah. So this design,
And you just drop it.
yeah, position it.
That's really sweet.
Because I'm old, I have to.
Oh, me too.
Okay. Yeah. And then I say I want to add a step. Here, we can here, so you can see it. I want to add a step, trace, or I could have uploaded,
Right, sure. And it thresholds it.
Maybe.
It's just thresholded it, right?
Yeah.
And you're adjusting the threshold level.
Right.
Cool.
Scale. So this step shows up as an engrave. Please don't bump the table. It'll make things slide around. Because we're setting the wood on the paper, things slide when they bump it. Okay. So say print. When you see the button light up, push it. So that's it. So it's showing me the step that's going to happen right now. And once it starts, you'll see the progress of the engrave as it goes along.
That's cool.
Yeah.
That's super cool.
It's nice stuff, and as I say, it's getting better.
Yeah.
By the time we start shipping it, you can rotate, copy, paste, all that stuff.
All the basic operations anyone would want to do while it's in the device.
So you can do it from tablet or whatever. Yeah.
What file formats is it going to work with? Illustrator, Vector, SVG,
PDF. I think we can handle DWG. I'm not sure. We do a bunch of conversions out front, but we also have an Illustrator plugin. So when you push the button, it'll automatically send it to the cloud and then open up the browser interface for you. Yeah.
Cool.
And we're going to have a Inkscape plugin also. So yeah.
That's great.
That's nice stuff. I'm very lucky. I'm a customer. I started out as a customer. Then I realized they were looking for people and they were in the same town. So, but yeah, it's very nice to be able to use the machines that work on.
Yeah. That's fun.
Yeah. It's a nice machine, and we're really aiming for it to be just a great user experience.
Right. That's the killer feature for me is I don't have to spend 16 hours trying to calibrate it.
And I don't know if you've seen some of the crappy, Windows software. I've heard from other customers about their frustration.
Pretty awful. Yeah. Now, none of these have the filter on them, is that right?
We just brought industrial filters.
Sure.
We're not demoing the filters yet.
Right.
So it's easier for us to just take these things and drag them around. But yeah, the filter is going to be great. It's only 7 inches tall.
I did the original one and then I went over it against the new one.
U-shaped connector.
So with the filter, could you do this in your office with the filter, like this kind
That's
of
our goal. Yeah. We're we're making sure that it's cleaner than typical indoor air. Actually.
Yeah, that's cool.
They get lost because they're so small.
Because like if you've got new carpet in your office or anything, there's actually going to be more emissions on the carpet there. And, so
There you go. So it's cutting the last. It looks like, I think.
yeah, I ordered a basic and a filter because I don't know where I'm going to be using it indoors. I don't want to leave it in my garage all the time. So.
Lots of options. So yeah, that's great.
And the only reason we're using the magnets is we've got quite a bit of air going through there, and that paper.
That paper might fly.
What is he baking? Let's look at the picture from.
Check the cut. These little guys in first. But every single piece has double-sided paper on it, so don't forget to remove that. It'll look much better. Even better than it already looks with paper on.
Yeah, so just peel the paper off.
And from assembling, and I hope it goes down well with Mum. I do.